What's up, this is Shan Heather, and in this video I'm going to tell you which device is better between Huawei Nova 3 and 3i and which device you should buy depending on your requirement. So let's get started. So the very first reason is going to be the hardware and the gaming performance. Huawei Nova 3 comes with Kirin 970 processor, Mali G72 GPU, while Huawei Nova 3i comes with Kirin 710 processor with Mali G51 GPU. So the performance of Huawei Nova 3 is going to be better compared to Huawei Nova 3i, especially when it comes to gaming because it comes with better GPU. So if you are one of those guys who are very much concerned about the gaming capability of the device or the performance overall, then you must go with Huawei Nova 3 instead of Huawei Nova 3i. Talking about the camera performance, both of these devices come with exact same front-facing camera. So if you are concerned about the front-facing camera, you can go with any of them because both of them got the exact same stuff and the performance is pretty much similar as well. But when we are talking about the rear camera setup, there are some differences. The very first difference is Huawei Nova 3 comes with a dedicated monochrome lens that also works as the depth sensor, while Huawei Nova 3i has only 2 megapixel depth sensor. So Huawei Nova 3 comes with 16 plus 24 megapixel dual rear camera setup, while Huawei Nova 3i comes with 16 plus 2 megapixel rear camera setup. Another difference is in terms of aperture. Nova 3 camera comes with 1.8 aperture, while Nova 3i camera comes with f/2.2 aperture. So due to this, the low light imaging capability of Huawei Nova 3 is better compared to Nova 3i, and also because of the bigger monochrome lens instead of the 2 megapixel depth sensor of Nova 3i. In terms of camera UI and features, both devices are exactly same, but still there are some differences. Like Huawei Nova 3 is capable of recording 4K videos, while this feature is not available on Huawei Nova 3i. Also, Huawei Nova 3 comes with a dedicated monochrome mode under the camera features. So if you are looking for a smartphone with monochrome imaging and 4K video recording capability, then you must go with Huawei Nova 3 instead of Huawei Nova 3i. But if you do not need these features, then you can go with Huawei Nova 3i as well. Talking about the screen, both of them are exactly same as you can see in terms of resolution, size and aspect ratio as well. But if you go to any of the wide screen, you will notice that Huawei Nova 3i screen comes with a bit blue tint. It's on the cooler side, while Huawei Nova 3 screen is a bit on a warmer side. But this difference is not so huge. If you go to the display setting and then to color mode temperature, you can adjust it a bit according to your need. But if you do not want to play with the display setting, then you can decide depending on your requirement whether you would like to go with Huawei Nova 3 screen or the Huawei Nova 3i. Also, in terms of design, both devices are exactly same from every angle, but once again the difference comes in terms of color variant. Black and iris purple color variant is available for both of these devices. The white color variant is available only on Huawei Nova 3i, and the blue, gold and red color variants are available only on Huawei Nova 3. So depending on your requirement, whether you would like to go with any of these common color variants or a special one, you can decide which device you need to buy. Another difference between these two devices is in terms of battery life and battery charging speed. Huawei Nova 3i comes with 3340 mAh battery and Huawei Nova 3 comes with 3750 mAh battery. So obviously in terms of battery capacity, Huawei Nova 3 is a better smartphone, but it also comes with Kirin 970 processor that is also more energy efficient compared to Kirin 710 processor of Huawei Nova 3i. So the battery life is going to be a bit better on Huawei Nova 3 because of the bigger battery size and better processor. But the difference is not going to be so huge, but still if the battery life is a huge factor for you while buying a smartphone, then you must go with Huawei Nova 3, or if you can manage with slightly lower battery performance of Huawei Nova 3i, then you can go with this one as well. Another difference here is that Huawei Nova 3 comes with USB Type-C port and Huawei Nova 3 comes with micro USB port. So if you are looking for a smartphone with USB Type-C, then you must go with Huawei Nova 3 instead of Huawei Nova 3i. But if you are okay with micro USB ports, then you can go with Huawei Nova 3i as well. Another difference between these two smartphones is in terms of battery charging speed. Huawei Nova 3i comes with 10 watt charger and it is not capable of fast charging, while Huawei Nova 3i comes with 18 watt charger and it supports fast battery charging. So once again, if this is a factor for you, then you must go with Huawei Nova 3 instead of Huawei Nova 3i. And after all of these differences, another major difference is in terms of price. So since Huawei Nova 3 comes with better hardware, better camera hardware, price of Huawei Nova 3 is a bit more compared to Huawei Nova 3i. Huawei Nova 3 is nearly 25% more expensive compared to Huawei Nova 3i, but you also get better hardware specs, better camera performance, better battery life compared to Huawei Nova 3i. But if you are on a tight budget and you cannot afford Huawei Nova 3, then you can go with Huawei Nova 3i as well, because it is also a great smartphone. The overall performance is good, gaming performance is good as well. The battery life is pretty good, and there is not much difference between Huawei Nova 3 and 3i. The front facing camera is exactly same in both of these devices, and if you are not interested in monochrome imaging or 4K video recording, then Huawei Nova 3i is the better deal for you. So these are the major differences between Huawei Nova 3 and Huawei Nova 3i, and now you know, depending on your requirement, which device you should buy. So feel free to share your views in the comment section below, that which device you liked more and which device you're gonna buy. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.